Ever felt like you were standing outside a digital candy store, your nose pressed against the glass, watching everyone else load up on these fascinating, futuristic treats called cryptocurrencies? You hear the buzzwords, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe even some of the more exotic names, and you think, I want in on that. But then the big question hits, where do you even start? And more specifically, if you're in Canada and looking for a user-friendly platform, what crypto goodies can you actually get your hands on? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Forget the overly complicated jargon and the feeling that you need a PhD in finance just to understand the basics. We're going to cut through the noise and focus on a platform that's been making waves for its simplicity and accessibility, Newton. Now, before we jump into the specific list of cryptocurrencies you can buy on Newton, let's take a step back and understand why this even matters. The world of crypto can feel like the Wild West, exciting, full of potential, but also a little intimidating. Choosing the right platform to buy and sell digital assets is crucial for a smooth and secure experience. You want a platform that's not only easy to navigate but also adheres to regulations and prioritizes the safety of your funds. Newton has positioned itself as exactly that, a Canadian platform designed with the everyday investor in mind. They aim to lower the barriers to entry into the crypto space, offering a streamlined interface and a selection of popular cryptocurrencies. This is a big deal because, let's be honest, some crypto exchanges can feel like piloting a spaceship with 1,000 buttons. Newton simplifies the cockpit, making it easier to understand the key controls. But ease of use is only one piece of the puzzle. The other crucial element is, of course, what you can actually buy. What are the digital assets that Newton offers its users? This is the burning question we're here to answer. As of my last update, Newton provides access to a curated selection of cryptocurrencies, focusing on well-established and promising projects. While the specific list can evolve over time as new cryptocurrencies emerge and Newton updates its offerings, here's a comprehensive overview of what you can likely find on the platform. Let's start with the king of the crypto jungle, Bitcoin, BTC. It's the original cryptocurrency, the one that started it all. Often referred to as digital gold, Bitcoin has proven its resilience and continues to be a dominant force in the market. It's a foundational asset for many crypto portfolios, and it's almost certainly available on Newton. If you're looking for broad exposure to the crypto space, Bitcoin is often the first port of call. Next up, we have Ethereum, ETH. Often described as the world's decentralized computer, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's a platform that allows developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. This functionality has led to a vast ecosystem of projects built on the Ethereum blockchain, making it a crucial player in the crypto world. You can definitely expect to find Ethereum available on Newton. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. Moving beyond the two giants, Newton typically offers access to other prominent Layer 1 blockchain platforms. These are essentially the foundational networks that other applications can be built upon. Examples you might find include Cardano, ADA, a blockchain platform that focuses on peer-reviewed research and a layered approach to development. It aims to be a more sustainable and scalable blockchain for the future. Solana, SOL, known for its high transaction speeds and low fees, Solana has gained significant traction for its ability to handle a large volume of transactions, making it popular for decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs. Polkadot, DOT, aims to connect different blockchains, allowing them to interoperate and share information. This Internet of Blockchains vision has garnered significant interest. Beyond these core Layer 1 platforms, Newton usually provides access to other notable cryptocurrencies that have strong communities and significant market capitalization. These might include Litecoin, LTC, one of the earliest altcoins, often referred to as silver to Bitcoin's gold. It aims to be a faster and cheaper alternative to Bitcoin for everyday transactions. Stellar Lumens, XLM, aims to facilitate fast and low-cost cross-border payments. It focuses on financial inclusion and connecting individuals and financial institutions globally. Chainlink, Link, a decentralized Oracle network that provides real-world data to smart contracts on various blockchains, enabling more complex and useful decentralized applications. Dogecoin, Doge, what started as an internet meme, has evolved into a significant cryptocurrency with a passionate online community. Shiba Inu, SHIB, another meme-inspired cryptocurrency that gained massive popularity and has since expanded its ecosystem. Polygon, Matic, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, aiming to improve transaction speeds and reduce fees on the Ethereum network. Avalanche, AVAX, another high-performance blockchain platform that competes with Ethereum and Solana in terms of speed and scalability. It's important to remember that this list isn't exhaustive and can change. Newton may add or remove cryptocurrencies based on market demand, regulatory considerations, and their own platform development. The best way to get the most up-to-date list is to directly check the Newton app or website. They usually have a dedicated section listing all the available assets. Now, you might be wondering why Newton chooses to list these specific cryptocurrencies. Several factors likely come into play. Market capitalization and liquidity. Newton likely focuses on cryptocurrencies with significant market capitalization and trading volume. This ensures that there's enough liquidity for users to buy and sell without significant price slippage. Community and adoption. Cryptocurrencies with strong and active communities and widespread adoption are generally considered more stable and have greater long-term potential. Technological foundation. Newton likely evaluates the underlying technology and the development team behind each cryptocurrency to assess its viability and potential for future growth. Regulatory compliance. As a regulated Canadian platform, Newton must adhere to specific guidelines and may only list cryptocurrencies that meet certain regulatory requirements. User demand. Newton likely considers the preferences and demands of its user base when deciding which cryptocurrencies to list. So, how do you actually buy these cryptocurrencies on Newton? The platform is designed to be user-friendly, and the process typically involves the following steps. Sign up and verification. You'll need to create an account on Newton and go through a verification process to confirm your identity. This is a standard procedure for regulated financial platforms. Fund your account. Once your account is verified, you'll need to deposit Canadian dollars, CAD, into your Newton account. They typically offer various funding methods, such as bank transfers and potentially other options. Browse available cryptocurrencies. Within the Newton app or website, you'll find a list of all the cryptocurrencies available for trading. Select the cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.